Hello, today you are going to learn about electromagnetic radiation, also called EMR. Grade 9 lesson for week 3 to 5. So here are the content standard for this lesson. Number 1, electromagnetic radiation travels using transverse waves of different wavelengths. Number 2, scientists and engineers use electromagnetic radiation to design modern technologies that benefit people and society. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy created by vibrating electrically charged particles. This energy travels as transverse waves. Unlike sound waves, electromagnetic waves do not need air or matter to travel. They can move through empty space. So electromagnetic waves are waves of energy that can travel space through space without the need for a medium. They are made of oscillating electric and magnetic fields that move perpendicular to each other and to the direction of the wave's motion. Electromagnetic radiation travels using transverse wave. In a transverse wave, the vibration moves up and down while the wave itself moves forward. Two important properties of electromagnetic waves are wavelength and frequency. So, this is the definition of terms. Wavelength is the distance between two identical points in a wave. Frequency is the number of waves that pass a certain point in 1 second. So it tells how often a wave repeats. Electromagnetic radiation begins when charged particles such as electrons move or vibrate. This vibration creates changing electric and magnetic fields. The fields continuously generate each other, allowing electromagnetic waves to travel through space. The electromagnetic spectrum is the complete range of electromagnetic waves. These waves differ in wavelength and frequency. Radio wave have the longest wavelength and lowest frequency. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelengths and highest frequencies. As frequency increases, the energy of the wave also increases. It is directly proportional. Radio waves has the longest wavelength, lowest frequency, and it is generated by the oscillation of electrons in an atom. Radio waves are widely used in communication technologies. Radio stations send signals through radio waves so we can listen to music and news. Television, broadcast, mobile phones, and Wi Fi also use radio waves. Scientists and engineers design antennas and communication systems that use radio waves to connect people around the world. Microwaves are useful in many technologies. Microwave ovens heat food quickly by causing water molecules in food to vibrate. Satellite also use microwave to send signals across long distances. Radar system use microwave to detect objects like airplanes, ships, and storms. Before we proceed, can you do a favor for our channel? Please press like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you. Infrared radiation is commonly associated with heat. Every warm object gives off infrared radiation. Remote controls use infrared signal to communicate with televisions. Thermal cameras can detect infrared radiation and help firefighters Doctors and engineers observe heat patterns. Visible light is the small portion of electromagnetic spectrum that humans can see with their eyes. Different colors have different wavelengths. Engineers use visible light in cameras, fiber optic cables, traffic light, and many modern technologies. Ultraviolet radiation. It has higher energy than visible light and it is produced by the sun. So ultraviolet radiation or UV rays comes mostly from the sun. UV rays can kill bacteria, so they are used to sterilize medical equipment and water. However, too much UV exposure can cause damage to the skin and eyes. So, sunscreen and protective clothing are important. X-rays are high frequency and high energy. So, it is mostly used in medical imaging, airport security, and industrial inspection. X-rays can pass through soft tissues but are absorbed by bones. Doctors use X-ray to look for broken bones and other medical problems. Engineers also use X-rays in industry to inspect machines and structure for hidden damage. Gamma rays are the shortest wavelength, highest frequency and energy used in cancer treatment, sterilization of medical tools, and for scientific research. Gamma rays has the highest energy. They produced during nuclear reactions and radioactive decays. Doctors use gamma rays to kill cancer cells in radiation therapy. Scientists also use gamma rays for research and sterilization. All electromagnetic waves travel at the speed of light when moving through the empty space. This speed is about 300 million meter per second. Even though radio waves and gamma rays have different wavelengths and frequency, they all have the same speed in a vacuum. These tables compares the different electromagnetic waves as wavelength decreases, frequency and energy increases. It is inversely proportional. Radio waves has the least energy while gamma rays has most energy. The wavelength, frequency, and energy of electromagnetic waves are connected. As wavelength becomes shorter, the frequency becomes higher. Waves with higher frequency also carry more energy. That is why gamma rays are more dangerous than radio waves. Electromagnetic radiation has changed modern society. Engineers use EMR to design communication systems, medical equipment, transportation technologies, and scientific instruments. Without electromagnetic waves, we would not have cell phones, Wi Fi, GPS, X ray machines, and even television. Scientists and engineers use electromagnetic radiation to design technologies that improve human life. Fiber optic cables use light signals to send information quickly across the world. Satellite use radio waves and microwaves for communication and navigation systems like GPS. Space agencies use electromagnetic waves to study stars, planets, and galaxies. Scientists and engineers use electromagnetic radiation to design technologies that improve human life. To summarize, electromagnetic radiation is energy that travels as transverse waves. The electromagnetic spectrum includes radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X rays, and gamma rays. These waves are important in communication, medicine, engineering, and many technologies that improve our lives. Although electromagnetic radiation is useful, some forms can be harmful. Too much ultraviolet radiation can cause sunburn and skin cancer. Excessive exposure to X ray and gamma rays can damage cells and tissue. This is why doctors carefully control radiation doses in medicine. People can protect themselves by using sunscreen, wearing protective equipment, and avoiding unnecessary exposure to harmful radiation. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening and see you in the next video presentation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much again and God bless.